Hello, and welcome to the Bad Bitch Academy. My name is Amber, and on this channel, we talk all about personal growth, spirituality, and how to unleash your inner bad bitch. On today's episode, I am going to be doing an EFT tapping class for if you don't really feel like a bad bitch. Maybe you woke up and your skin is breaking out, or your hair doesn't look that good, or you're feeling bloated and just a little bit and this class is going to help you through that and help you to feel like a bad bitch. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. So to get started, if you have never done EFT tapping before, you are in for a treat. It is an amazing practice that is really going to help you to overcome these negative emotions and really feel your body with positive affirmations and just a lot of positivity. Now, it's super easy to do. All you've got to do is tap on the same points that I am tapping on my body. So I'll be like tapping here, and all you'll do is tap along with me and repeat what I am saying. And that's all. Easy peasy. So to get started, let's just take a couple of nice and deep breaths just to really ground ourselves into the present moment. Taking a nice and deep inhale through the nose. And we can sigh it out through the mouth. One more time. Nice big inhale in through the nose. And we can exhale through the mouth once more. Now, you can either close your eyes for this part or have a soft gaze in front of you. And I want you to just imagine how you are feeling right now. Really doing a body scan and noticing what your body is feeling in this very moment. Maybe you woke up just kind of feeling like shit and your stomach is a little bit hurting. Maybe your neck is hurting or your neck is tight or your shoulders are all clenched up and tense. Whatever it is, don't judge yourself, don't feel bad about it, but just bring your awareness to what is showing up for you right now. Taking a couple more deep breaths. And when you're feeling like shit, or when you feel that your insecurities are rising to the surface, or if you're feeling that your hair looks like shit and that makes you just want to crawl into a hole, I want you to rate yourself on a scale of 0 to 10. 0 as like, I'm fine, I'm doing great. Whereas a 10 is like, holy shit, it is just so much. I feel really, really bad right now. And once again, just rate yourself on a scale of 0 to 10. And I want you at the end of this practice to compare how you're feeling now to how you feel at the end. And I know that you are going to shift at least a little bit and feel a lot better by the end of this practice. Now, if your eyes are still closed, you can feel free to open them. And we're gonna start off by tapping on this karate chop point. So it's the point kind of in between where your like pinky knuckle and your wrist is. So tapping right here. And all you have to do is just repeat after me, okay? Even though I don't feel the greatest right now, I completely love and accept myself. And even though I woke up feeling kind of meh, I completely love and accept myself. And even though I don't feel my best right now, I completely love and accept myself. Let's place our hands to our heart for a moment. Take in one nice deep breath. And we're going to continue tapping on the top of the head, and you can just repeat after me. Right now, I don't feel my best. I feel a lot of insecurities coming up. I feel like my hair doesn't look that great. My skin isn't glowing and perfect. My body might not be exactly what I want it to be. And it kind of makes me feel like shit. It kind of makes me feel like I just want to crawl into a hole. I don't really enjoy feeling this way. I really want to feel like a bad bitch. But I'm just not feeling it right now. And honestly, it really sucks. 'Cause I just want to be this confident version of myself. I want to feel beautiful as fuck. I want to feel like a 10 out of 10. And I am just not feeling that right now. I look in the mirror and I start to think negative thoughts. Maybe I start to think that I'm ugly. Maybe I even say that I hate my body. Maybe I even cried today because of how I felt. And it does not make me feel high vibe. It does not make me feel on top of the world. And it does not make me feel like a bad bitch. I want to feel like a bad bitch. But I'm just not feeling it right now. But even though I'm not feeling like a bad bitch right now, and even though in my eyes I might not look like a bad bitch right now, deep down I know that I am always a bad bitch. Deep down, I know that it is just who I am. I know that I am a bad bitch no matter what. I'm a bad bitch when my hair looks like a mess. I'm a bad bitch when I have no makeup on. I'm a bad bitch when my skin breaks out. I'm a bad bitch when my weight fluctuates. I am a bad bitch through it all. And no matter how I feel in this moment, I will always be a bad bitch. No matter what I look like, I can always embody my inner bad bitch. So from this point forward, I am making the decision to feel good. From this point forward, I am choosing to see the beauty in myself. I am choosing to see my strengths. I am choosing to acknowledge what I love about myself. I am choosing to love all of my flaws and insecurities. Because my flaws and insecurities also are a part of me. And I don't need to hate them. I need to give them even more love and compassion. I'm already feeling so much better. I'm already starting to feel even more beautiful. I am already starting to feel like more of a bad bitch. Because a bad bitch is who I am. I'm a bad bitch when I'm awake in the morning. I'm a bad bitch when I'm sleeping at night. And there is literally nothing that I can do that makes me not a bad bitch. So I'm just gonna embrace exactly where I am right now. I'm going to love exactly where I am right now. I'm going to be happy in my own skin. I'm going to be happy in my own body. I'm going to be grateful for everything that I am right now. And I'm going to be grateful for everything that I have right now. I am a bad fucking bitch. Now, forever, and always. You can bring your hands to your chest. Take a nice deep breath in. Maybe close your eyes if that feels good for you. And just take a moment to notice how you're feeling right now. Maybe notice any tingling or any sensations or any lightness that you might feel in your body. And noticing if there were any areas that were tight or tense that maybe feel a little bit better than before. And just sit here for a few moments with your eyes closed. And just realize how fucking amazing you are. You are so beautiful. You are so loved. You are so amazing. And you are a bad bitch. No matter what. Doesn't matter what your skin looks like today, or how your hair might look, or what outfit you have on, because you have the energy and the essence of a bad bitch. It doesn't matter. The rest literally does not matter at all. And I want you to take this energy with you throughout your day. Take it with you throughout your life. And just know that no matter what, you are fucking beautiful. No matter through the ups and downs, or how your skin looks, or how your body or your weight might fluctuate, you are amazing. And you should love yourself through every single stage of your life. Now, I want you to rate yourself once again on a scale of 0 to 10. Once again, 0 being you're feeling amazing versus 10 as you're feeling pretty horrible. And I just want you to compare yourself from the beginning of this practice till now at the end. Maybe you're feeling like an 8 and now you're feeling like a 5. Maybe you were a 5 and now you're a 0. Whatever it is, I would love, love, love for you to share it with me in the comments. Let me know what you thought about this or how you're feeling right now. And I just want to thank you for being here, for showing up for yourself, and for really just recognizing how much of an amazing bad bitch you really are. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button or check out some of the other amazing videos I have on this channel, and I will see you in the next one.